Very good morning. I would like to wish to our honorable panels, Dr. Fatima and Dr. Kamaruzaman. First and foremost, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Ujamin with the matrix number AN180284 under the supervision of T.S. Rahmat bin Muslim from the Department of Civil Engineering Technology, Faculty of Engineering Technology. Today, I'm going to present a topic on a study on smart parking system at Aeon Seremban 2. In abstract part, the literature review conducted in this study offers an in-depth review of common parking problems faced in a shopping mall. On the other hand, it also offers an in-depth review of various types of smart parking systems, such as Parking Guidance and Information System, which is well known as PGIS, Transit-Based Information System, Smart Payment System, e-parking, as well as automated parking system. Furthermore, the literature review shows the implementation of vehicle detection technologies into smart parking system. This paper presents a survey and analysis of an academic qualitative literature review implementation process. It reviews many types of different smart parking systems and analyze which is the best suit for Aeon Seremban 2 through question A, which is prepared beforehand. In this introduction part, we will discuss about what does car parking means and what are the objectives of this study. A car parking refers to a solution which compromising barrier gates, access control system, as well as automated parking system, which are widely used in both public and private buildings. There are many types of smart parking system, such as the Parking Guidance and Information System, Transit-Based Information System, Smart Payment System, e-parking, as well as Automated Parking System. This smart parking system brings a lot of advantages to us, such as time saving, reduced traffic congestion, optimizing driving experience, as well as reducing pollution to the surrounding. There are three objectives in this study, which are to identify suitable smart parking system based on literature review. The second objective will be to develop questionnaire based on objective 1. Last but not least, to propose suitable smart parking system for reducing car parking problem at Aeon Seremban 2. In this literature part, we will discuss in detail about the 5 main smart parking systems. There are 5 main types of smart parking systems in the current market right now, which are the Parking Guidance and Information System, Transit-Based Information System, Smart Payment System, Electronic Parking, as well as Automated Parking System. There are 2 major categories on the implementation of PGIS, which can include in the whole city area or just function within the car park itself. Meanwhile, the Transit-Based Information System is more or less just like the PGIS. The only difference between them is Transit-Based Information System focuses more on guiding drivers to park and ride facilities. Smart Payment System helps to reduce maintenance and staffing requirement as well as traffic control. It includes several payment methods such as contact method, contactless method, and mobile devices. E-parking enables the drivers to inquire for the availability or to reserve a parking space at their desired destination. This can help drivers to confirm the availability of vacant car park when they arrive at the parking facility. Lastly, automated parking system allows the patrons to drive the car up to the bay, then the machine will automatically place the respective vehicle to the allocated space. This automated parking system is able to cater more cars as compared to the conventional car parking system, as it allows cars to stack on each other. In this methodology part, we will divide it into 2 main sections, which are the entire process of the study and the process of conducting questionnaire. The process of the entire study starts from to identify suitable smart parking system from literature review, which is the objective one. After identifying the suitable smart parking system from literature review, the next step will be to develop questionnaire based on the first objective. The following step is to write literature review for the entire study, which is chapter 2, followed by the next chapter, chapter 3, methodology. The method which we use to collect data from the respondents is through Google Form and questionnaire. After obtaining data from the respondents, the next step will be the data analysis so as to identify which smart parking system is the best suit for AON's Roman 2. Next, we will discuss on why does the selected smart parking system is the best suit for AON's Roman 2. The final step of this study is to make conclusion and recommendation for future study. The process of conducting questionnaire starts from identifying the population in the area of the entire Seremban 2. The next step is to identify the required sample size of respondent to answer the set of questionnaire. The required size of respondent is determined through the help of Rausoff, which is a sample size calculator. The following step will be developing of questionnaire based on the objectives. After developing questionnaire, the set of questionnaire will be first checked by the supervisor, then it is now ready to be distributed to the respondents. Thereafter, we will wait for all the data to be collected, then we can proceed to the process of analyzing of data. The main reason to analyze all the data that we obtain from the respondent is to identify which smart parking system is the best to be proposed to the AON Seremban 2. Lastly, a conclusion is drawn and recommendation of study is proposed so as to improve this study in a better way in the future. In this results and discussion, the figure on the left above shows the number of respondents who agrees to upgrade the current parking system to smart parking system. Out of 68 respondents, there were 67 respondents, which is equivalent to 98.53% agrees to upgrade the current parking system to smart parking system in AON Seremban 2, whereas there was only one respondent, which is equivalent to 1.47% who was unsure about its own decision. Next, the figure on the right shows the types of smart parking system which is chosen by the respondents. There are 29 respondents, which is equivalent to 42.65% who suggested to implement parking guidance and information system, which is known as PGIS, whereas there are 22 respondents, which is equivalent to 32.35% suggested to use transit-based information system. At the same time, there are 12 respondents, which is equivalent to 17.65%, suggested to replace the current parking system in AON Seremban 2 with smart payment system, whereas another 4 respondents, which is equivalent to 5.88%, suggest to use e-parking. There is only 1 out of 68 respondents, which is equivalent to 1.47%, who has suggested to use automated parking system. Since there are more than 50% of the respondents who rated the current parking system in AON Seremban 2 as poor and average, when there are given 5 choices to choose from, 19 out of 68 respondents are not sure whether to recommend a new smart parking system, but there are 49 respondents who strongly agree to recommend AON a new smart parking system. 67 of the respondents agreed to upgrade the current parking system in AON Seremban 2 to a new smart parking system. There were given 6 choices to choose from, which are PGIS, Transit-Based Information System, Smart Payment System, e-parking, Automated Parking System, and none of the above selection. 29 out of 68 respondents agreed to use parking guidance and information system to replace the current parking system in AON Seremban 2. Hence, PGIS is to be recommended to the management of AON Seremban 2 to replace the current parking system as it has the highest frequency out of the 6 choices. In conclusion, Parking Guidance and Information System (PGIS) is to be proposed to the Aeon Settlement tool, as majority of the respondents prefer PGIS out of the 6 options given to them. There are many advantages which Parking Guidance and Information System can bring to the drivers, such as improving drivers' parking experience, improving the chances in finding a vacant parking space, as well as locating vehicle in the car park. In the other way, PGIS also indirectly helps driver to reduce searching time, which will lead to decrease in traffic congestion. That is all from me. Thank you so much for spending your precious time to watch my presentation. Have a nice day and goodbye.